Good evening guys, so let's log in the admin, and this is the admin dashboard. So click the all trainee, so the list of the all trainee, and click the enrollment. So let's fill up the enrollment form. So fill up the one today batch solution. So fill up the form. After that, and click the disability and click the EIMC1 and click the FISFA and click the agree and submit. So there's a table of requirements, so click and go to incomplete. So there's the enroll that you input and click archive. So let's proceed to archive table. So there's archive and click the delete if you want to verify the delete. So click the backup. After that, so click the history logs. So there's just a lot of history logs in the admin, so dashboard, and click the backup. So wait 30 seconds until the logout. So that's my activity for today. Thank you guys for watching. Here's the log off. Thank you.